ElevenLabs is one of the best AI voice generators available today, but it's not the only option. Whether you're looking for lower prices, better voice cloning, more languages, or additional editing features, there are several excellent alternatives worth considering. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best alternatives to ElevenLabs and help you decide which one is right for your projects. Let's get started. 1. PlayHT is one of ElevenLabs' biggest competitors. It offers realistic AI voices, voice cloning, text-to-speech, and support for many languages. It's especially popular among developers thanks to its API, making it a great choice for apps, websites, and automated voice solutions. If you need high-quality narration with flexible integration options, PlayHT is definitely worth considering. 2. Murf AI focuses on content creators, educators, and businesses. In addition to realistic AI voices, it includes a complete editor where you can synchronize voiceovers with presentations, videos, and training materials. It's very beginner-friendly and doesn't require advanced editing experience. If you create YouTube videos, online courses, or marketing content, Murf AI is an excellent option. 3. Descript combines AI voice generation with audio and video editing. Instead of switching between multiple programs, you can edit your video, record your voice, generate AI narration, remove filler words, and even create voice clones inside a single platform. It's one of the best all-in-one solutions for creators and podcasters. 4. HeyGen. Although HeyGen is best known for AI avatars, it also offers excellent AI voice generation and multilingual dubbing. If your goal is creating talking avatar videos or translating content into multiple languages, HeyGen gives you much more than basic text-to-speech. It's an ideal solution for businesses, educators, and YouTube creators producing international content. 5. Speechify is designed primarily for reading text aloud. It supports documents, PDFs, web pages, and articles using natural-sounding AI voices. While it isn't focused on professional voice cloning like ElevenLabs, it's an excellent option for students, professionals, and anyone who wants high-quality text-to-speech for everyday use. Which one wins? If your priority is realistic voice cloning, PlayHT comes closest to ElevenLabs. If you're creating YouTube videos or marketing content, Murf AI and Descript provide much more complete editing tools. For avatar videos and multilingual content, HeyGen is difficult to beat. And if you simply want natural text-to-speech for reading documents, Speechify is an excellent choice. Final verdict. There isn't one perfect replacement for ElevenLabs because each alternative specializes in something different. However, if you're looking for the best overall balance between voice quality, features, and flexibility, PlayHT is probably the strongest alternative in 2026. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which AI voice generator you're currently using.